All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you some general Roomba maintenance. You may notice that your Roomba is starting to not clean quite as well as it used to. First things first, you're going to want to do is check the filter. You can see that in one of my other videos. But after that, you can actually flip your Roomba over and you can take a look at the brushes. And as you can see, this Roomba has not had its brushes changed. This one right here is the easiest to change. This is your baseboard sweeper. It throws dirt along the edges or something into the main brushes right here. A lot of times, especially if you have pets, you'll get a lot of stuff wrapped up in the main brushes. In fact, I have something right here. I do not have a pet, but there you go. That is one of those things that holds a tag on new shirts. That needs to come out. But what you'll notice is all of these bristles, they'll eventually flatten out from hair. And you want to keep up with these and pull out, bad stuff whenever necessary. Here's a ball of stuff right here. It's kind of tough to get it out. But this kind of stuff will definitely depreciate the performance of your Roomba. Here's another ball of hair and whatnot, and it tangles all of the bristles together. And you may notice that your Roomba hasn't been cleaning quite as well, and this could very well be the reason. If you've never done any of the general maintenance on her, then you may need to. You can buy these replacement kits on the Roomba website. In fact, if you use the app, it'll remind you when you need to. As you can see, this rubber brush right here, it's starting to warp a little bit. It's got a little bit more life in it than this brush, but if I'm replacing this one, I may as well go ahead and replace that one also. Replacing these things are really easy. All of this just pops right out and changes really fast. But if you have noticed that it hasn't been working quite as well, check your brushes, see what it looks like, and you may need to buy a new one.